Passengers on the Norwegian Pearl do not have to wander far from their cabins to find a bar or lounge. The bars have a variety of concoctions and decor. For example, Bar Central on Deck 6 has a beer and whiskey bar, a martini bar, and a champagne and wine bar. The Bliss Ultra-Lounge on Deck 7 is Norwegian Pearl sports bar by day, featuring the first bowling alleys at sea and sports action on multiple flat-screen TVs. By night, Bliss transforms into a high-energy disco, with hip music and a lively dance floor. The seating in Bliss is velvety and comfortable, just divine. The Spinnaker Observation Lounge on Deck 13 has spectacular views, a dance floor, some really interesting seating, and a stage for entertainment. The Sky High Bar and Topsiders bar next to the pool offer views of the pool and deck areas, and Mambo's bar overlooks the Crystal Atrium. Those looking for a specialty coffee need look no further than the Java Cafe in the atrium, and gamblers can stay close to the casino in the spacious casino bar.